Published time, 6 February 2019 15:41. Edited time, 6 February 2019 16:39. The UN and the Syrian Arab Red Crescent are dispatching more than 100 trucks of humanitarian aid from Damascus to Syrians stranded near the border with Jordan. The convoy was described on Wednesday by the Syrian Arab Red Crescent as the largest to reach more than 40,000 residents of the Rukban camp. It's carrying food, medicine and educational materials. The distribution is expected to take 7 days and involve more than 140 Red Crescent volunteers, AP said. The last aid delivery to the isolated camp was sent in November, nearly 10 months after the previous batch.